My name is Oscar Clausen. I am the CEO here at JawsTec.
Hi, I'm Samia Segura, and at JawsTec, I am HP's lead engineer.
JawsTec is a 3D printing service provider as well as CNC manufacturer. We want to be able to be the #1 in the industry. JawsTec is really focused on the HP MJF technology to help grow the business. The parts that can be produced with this additive manufacturing process provide a very strong and solid part, and then we can offer it in a quick turnaround time of usually up to about a 4-day lead time. On the HP MJF side, we've really been able to help improve our business in total. We had professional services from HP come into our facility. They walk through each operation that we do, whether it's bringing in a part, putting it into a build, how it gets put onto a printer, as well as operating and cleaning, post-production, and moving it straight to sandblasting. We were able to take their knowledge and really put it to use in the operations that we are currently using. Now we're able to track an order all the way through. It sends an email update straight to the customer so they know where their part is throughout the whole process.
Having a reliable and trustworthy partner like HP helps us achieve our goals daily and meet our customers' needs. Using a HoloLens is my favorite thing to do.
Just to the left of the print bed is going to be a bar that has a black stripe on it. You can take that out and we'll go to the sink and I'll show you how to clean that up with the HoloLens.
It helps me diagnose my problem faster and helps me get better experience on what other technicians know from HP. It's my favorite to use because I can get the answer immediately.
We are on a 3DOS system. Basically, that means we don't have to pay for the material that comes in. We pay as we use it. And then it goes straight to HP, which makes it a lot easier to grow as a business because you're really only using what you've managed to sell. JawsTec's looking to grow as quickly as possible. We started in 2018 with 1 machine. Now in 2022, we've got 13. We're looking to really increase that as well. And HP really has been able to support us. We want to be the next big guy in the room.